Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by ferry just off the Mandela Highway and we're looking at the Kingston 876 complex. Now when we make these videos about roads and hotels, people always ask, what about factories and warehouses in Jamaica? About investments in those things. So today we're showing you one of, if not the largest warehouse district or manufacturing district in Jamaica. Well, it's one of, because there's a massive one down by Marcus Garvey Drive, that area. So this is another one. So this is 94 acres, a mega development project. 94 acres. What they do is they develop the area and then sell the lots, and then people build on the lot how they want. Now on the right you can see a development going up. On the left is another one. So companies like Nestle have their massive warehouse down here. Tankwell has one of the largest warehouses I've ever seen. Derrimon Trading has three massive warehouses down here. Shackman Trucks has a facility down here. Tropical Battery, this is another one under construction. Tropical Battery has a location down here. ATL recently opened a location down here, and about 6 lots are under development as we speak. There's a call center down here, a massive call center. When they started this project, they had hoped to provide jobs for over 10,000 people, but that number has skyrocketed. And this is the call center now. That's it on the left. That the JUTC had to put in special bus routes just to get to this facility. That's how well it's doing. And as we drive around, you'll see there's plenty of empty lots. Plenty of space for expansion. So not the entire 94 acres have been developed yet, but it's just a matter of time before they're all developed. And the good thing about this location is, well, a good thing about it is its location. It's right there on Mandela Highway. You actually have an overpass that takes you here. You know, so many times we've done videos where you have an exit and we've said, build an overpass. Well, they did it here and it's working perfectly. They didn't bother. Well, sometimes we say, why bother with these roundabouts? Use an overpass. Well, Mandela Highway takes you into Kingston. It takes you to both major highways in Jamaica, so you can go on the south coast or the north coast. You can go to Portmore, you can go to Spanish Town, and you can go into the city of Kingston, all from Mandela Highway. So this facility is ideally located. And you really have to say job well done to the developers of this complex, because it was very expensive to build. And at the time they started, no major factory was here. Yeah, these are the kind of developments you like to see in Jamaica. And I was not exaggerating. I'm going to show you the warehouses I was talking about. Now, coming up on the right, you're going to see the Shackman dealership. But that's not the one I'm talking about. The one I'm talking about is straight ahead. Tankwell. Look at that building. If anybody knows what's the largest warehouse in Jamaica, it's probably this one. I'm not sure if the Grace Kennedy warehouse or Caramed. Grace Kennedy has a massive warehouse that they recently opened, and so does Caramed. But this one, look at this structure. That's the building on the right. It goes all the way back. I'm amazed at how big this facility is. This is the kind of development you like to see. And Tankwell has another massive um, warehouse. They actually have a pier, a port out in, I think it's Discovery Bay or St. Anne's Bay on the north coast. But I'm really impressed with this one. Guys, let me know what you think. We and then straight ahead now, that's the Derrimon Trading Facility. They have 3 warehouses. I don't think any single one is as big as the Tankwell one, but they have 3 of these massive warehouses down here. Really like to see what's going on in Jamaica in terms of this kind of progress. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this development. Oh, as we were saying earlier, we really have to give credit to the developers, the Cascade Group. They did an excellent job out here. And when they started this project, they did not have all these companies on board. Nestle came on first, and then Tropical Battery, and then the place just exploded. You see these massive warehouses. Look on the right, that's another warehouse. And as I said at the beginning, there are about 6 properties that that construction is going on. So we will definitely keep you guys updated. This truck is turning in. That's a 40-foot container. Oh, and this facility is 10 minutes away from the wharf. 10 minutes from the wharf. This was definitely an excellent project. Job well done. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this complex. It's the Kingston 876 complex. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.